What up? Hello from Nazare. It's windy, horrible, but the waves are going to be sick in the next few days, and I am super stoked because I've just had my new Zepha wetsuits turn up. Here they are. So they're pre-shaped, so which makes them really nice to wear. It feels like you're not wearing like a 4-3. Doesn't feel like a 4-3, which is great. Taped, like double locked, so which is the best tape, so it's not getting water through it. They've got that fast dry material, which is also another great feature. I don't know if, like, you know, when you've got the wristy cuffs, like the tapered cuffs here, so it stops like water shooting up your sleeves, which is great on the winter suits and the thicker suits, just when you're wearing gloves, so it sort of grips it nicely. But also all round it's way better. They're the mini zip, so you get in through the neck. Oh, like that, get through the neck, it's all super stretch. It's just another great product from Tiki. This one here is all black, it's a 4-3. Little red detail there. But I've also got a 3-2 when it gets a little bit warmer. And this is the graphite sort of grey, but also has the same red detail. So yeah, great suit, UK company. Thanks Tiki for keeping me warm.